Storm Scan 3, though, does show the clouds starting to build in. Clouds will be increasing here overnight. You can see still looking good down the shore, but if you head to the west, that's where the clouds will be found tonight. It's 40 to 10 miles an hour. Down the shore, it's 55. Feeling good. More sunshine there. Again, very dry air with those dew points in the teens, and in the Poconos, a little bit colder. Northwest wind at 10, and it's with your latest wake up weather. I am meteorologist Kate Bilo. Sunny and much colder for your Wednesday. It'll be a windy day. The high is 40 degrees, but that's a bit misleading. You almost have to cut that in half to factor in the wind chills. Winds will be gusting over 30 miles an hour out of the north and west. It'll feel like the 20s all day long. Thursday still chilly and waking up to a cold Thursday morning with temperatures only in the 20s to start the day, but in the afternoon it's not bad. It's below average by about 10 degrees, but with less wind and lots of sunshine, it'll feel pretty pleasant in the afternoon despite the temperature of only 45 degrees. A beautiful day for January or February, but cold for March. Friday, 53 degrees. With your latest wake up weather, we're waking up to a little sun across the area, but then midday we'll have a couple of spotty showers roll through. Now north and west up in the Poconos, this could be some freezing rain. A winter weather advisory in effect there for the city. A stray shower, then the sun comes back out in the afternoon and temperatures start to moderate. Reasonable 54 for the high on Friday, and even warmer as we stationary front really and just kind of meander back and forth over the next couple of days. Eventually we'll get that cold front to come through on Tuesday, and that will bring a better chance for some rain. As far as right now, it's 53 degrees and cloudy in Kutztown. You can see some peaks of blue sky, but it is mostly cloudy and it will stay that way. Let's talk about the month of March. Remember last March how warm it was? I remember. Here's your latest wake up weather. I'm meteorologist Kate Bilo. We've got scattered showers and thunderstorms around the area for your Tuesday. A few breaks of blue sky here and there, but you'll be dodging raindrops all day. It's a mild day though with a high around 70. We finally clear out the showers and storms and get sunshine back for Wednesday. A nice day at 61 degrees. Cooler and breezy this evening. So you can see a little bit of a break in the cloud cover as the storm begins to slowly exit, but especially from the city on north, still seeing that light rain. Allentown, Reading into Montgomery and Bucks counties here. We do have a few showers and storms. This one right here just pushing toward Cape May County. So if you're in Cape May Point, West Cape May, places like that, you could raise shower or even a rumble. Well, we're waking up to another sunny day for your Thursday, but we will have a few more clouds filtering in by the afternoon as our next system approaches. The balance of the day, though, looking really good. Temperatures near or just slightly below average, the high 54 degrees. Friday, completely different story. It's cold and it's wet all day long, periods of rain, heavy at times. And we are going to see some spells of very heavy rain all day tomorrow. Now, an east wind has picked up, and that's why temperatures have also dropped here this afternoon. You can see that brisk east wind coming in off the water. 44 in Atlantic City, 43 in Wildwood right now, and 48 in Philadelphia. A cool east wind will be around through the day tomorrow as that storm approaches, and will keep temperatures on the chilly side as well. It's kind of a raw day. We'll be lucky to get into the low 50s tomorrow. So let's time this out. Again, a couple of scattered showers here this evening. Most of this evening is pretty quiet, but by Whitfield Elementary School in Reading, it's just these big, huge raindrops coming through, and it's been going on all day long. 43 degrees right now. So on the roads for the rest of this evening, low visibility. Watch for road spray. There's a lot of ponding out there, and it can come up on you quickly. And that, of course, if it sprays across the road, can slow you down as well. Poor drain.
Good job, everybody. Yeah. And it's a nice day to maybe get outside and do a little painting.
Yes.
We got this nice little day in the midst of some chillier temperatures.
Yeah, today's the day to get outside and, you know, play outside with the kids after dinner. We have these longer evenings now. It's not going to start swinging.
Yes. You had me at 70.
Yeah,
that'll work. That's enough.
That's wonderful, and you know, it makes you think about crab fries, like being at the ballpark maybe, or enjoying them outside in the summer.
Boardwalk. Let's just go straight forward.
But we're not
Those fries look good.
there yet.
Doesn't feel like it yet.
It doesn't. And you know, February was so nice. It was like, oh, early spring, and then it got taken away from us rudely by March. Now March has a little bit of a rebound.
Okay.
At least one day of some nice warm Sunday into Monday and Tuesday.
Okay, it's like our beacon of hope.
Yes, we'll
in the
get
midst of all this chilly weather. Thanks, Kate.
All right, Don Bell joins. Meteorologist Kate Bilo is joining us now, and you've got a bright spot for people who want a little spring in their lives.
Yes. It may only be one day, but we've got one day that you can really get outside. Now, I'll tell you what, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, temperatures are slightly above average, which is not something we felt much of this month. So at least we've got that, but we will have a few chances for rain all those days. At least we're not talking about any more days in the 40s or any more nights in the 20s.
Okay, we'll take that.
We will take that.
Thanks. Kate, let's talk about this crazy weather.
Let's talk about this weather because we've got rain chances in the forecast every day through at least next Tuesday, and it looks like next weekend possibly even some more rain. So we are entering into a pretty showery pattern. It's not quite April yet, but the April.
So we're talking about a roller coaster, really, of weather in the next few days, right?
We are warming up. So the good news is most of the days in the 7-day forecast are above average. So finally, but the weekend is kind of half and half. We've got one warm day, one cold day, chances of rain. It's just going to be not a very straightforward forecast. Let's put it that way.
Kate has our forecast on this hump day.
Yeah, and today was a beautiful day. 60s, sunshine. You can't ask for much more than that. Except you could ask for maybe a stretch of 3 or 4 of those kind of days in a row. That's something we don't have, unfortunately. Even in the
Okay, all right.
the good with the bad.
Okay.
That's the
See some 60s
Give a little,
in there, though.
take it away. All right.